What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please watch it all the way through. In today's video, I'm going to give you the one stock that you need to buy for the month of October, as well as we're going to bring out the chart momentarily, okay, so I can show you a critical level that you need to watch for this upcoming week, okay? Everything you do should be made off of this particular level, okay? And then, guys, we are going to get ready to get busy so we can prepare to dominate this upcoming week. If that sounds like a plan, do me a favor, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Starting it off, man, loving on the family as usual. This was a base hit. Carl said, got my $100 today, coach. One play a day. I love very many things about this. Number one being the fact that he didn't overstay his welcome, meaning he didn't overtrade. We take it one day at a time, one play at a time, okay? He made his $100, he hit his target, and he called it a day. That's how you wrap up the week. That is how you finish the week on a strong note. Check this out, guys. He had the Tesla. He had an average cost of $220. He rolled it up to $338. I love this. 53% move, $118 total. That's the $100 a day target, guys. In and out. We call that easy money, guys. Listen to this. I love this game because when you learn to do this properly, all he has to do to make this as $1,000 is to add more contracts. He had 1 contract. Had he had 3, 5, 10 or more, guys, all that simply means is the more money he would have made. I love this game. It's the only game you can scale up in such a manner, okay? Guys, let's get ready to do it again this upcoming week. I expect you guys to be on top of your A game and be ready to put the smack down in the market, man. Make sure you like and subscribe. Get ready for this upcoming week, guys. Okay, guys, today we are operating on the 15-minute time frame. This is a 15-minute chart on the SPY, which is currently sitting at 4:30 in after hours. It closed at 429.54. As I often say, always remember closing prices, guys. These are not coincidences. These numbers are being shown for a reason, okay? They all have meaning. They all have purpose, okay? Let's go ahead and dive back into the chart. As you see, we had a gap that was filled, okay? You always want to make note of the things that happen. We gapped down, okay? Boom. And then we shot up like a rocket. Okay, that filled the gap right there. That was your gap fill. Boom. Okay, we went higher. We broke through resistance, and now sitting up here, resistance has turned into support. Okay, listen, guys, that was a huge move we made over the course of the weekend. But what I want to show you right now is this, guys. Check this level out right here, 426. This is a key critical level. We're gonna call that critical. We're gonna call that critical support. Okay, let's get our wording right. Critical support. Okay, for the SPY. This whole level right here, this whole entire level, 426.60, okay, check it out, guys. Above that, you want to remain bullish, okay? So an ideal situation or ideal scenario would be closer to that level. If we test it a couple times, that will be an area you can buy a call because it didn't break, and you can ride it up to 430, which is where we're currently sitting at, en route to 433, which is where we're trying to go to. They don't let you go in a straight line sometimes, so if they pull back, this is a scenario I want you guys to be looking for, okay? Now, however, check this out. If we lose 426, now, guys, that puts this whole 420 level that's down here right back in play. Okay, that's this level right down here, and that is support at the 420 level. Okay, so guys, just so you have an understanding, above 426 you can remain bullish. Now you can still get tripped up in there if you not getting your entries right, if you're buying at the wrong prices, if you're not understanding resistance and support. But ultimately, if you can buy closer to 426 or any type of pullback, you know we're now to the upside can go and test 430 and beyond. Okay, if we get below 426 and we keep going down further and we don't capture 426.60, then we're going down to 420. Now, mind you, when we get to 420, that's support, so it can bounce off that level and make its way back to 426, and then you react to see if we break through or if we get rejected. Let's go ahead and see what that looked like. Okay, if we did come down here, okay, check this out. If we did come down here down to this level, now if it get back up here, boom, it go from 420 to 426. You need to see if we get rejected and smack back down, or if we break through and go back to this 430 level. Okay, these are all the type of scenarios you want to be looking out for when you are in the game in real time. Okay, don't get stuck in one way. Don't let your feet get caught in cement and you get stuck because you thinking it's only go one way, or you want to be stubborn and only want to play one way and not respect the fact that these plays can go in multiple directions, up and down, test those levels several times, break them, come back, and then unable to break them another time. Guys, you got to stay on your P's and Q's, or do as I instruct you guys to do. See profit, take profit, get in and get out. Don't get greedy and don't overstay your welcome. That's the key to dominating Wall Street. Okay, with that being said, guys, hopefully that was helpful. Let's go ahead and dive into the stocks. Okay, guys, before we dive into the one stock you want to buy for October, I want to first cover a few stocks that are in buy zones. Okay, let's take a look at Exxon, ticker symbol XOM, sitting at 107.20. Remember, just the other day, this was sitting at 120. We had achieved our price target of 120. We bought this at $100, $99. I told you it was going to 120. We took it there, and then we sold it because of this very reason right here. I often teach you about the power of rinsing and repeating. Now, that same 25-30% play that you guys made off of Exxon, you can repeat it all over again because it has came all the way back down to these levels. 105, that was the level we started with. We started buying it at 105, 103, 99. We took it up to 120. Look at this. It was just sitting here at that 120 level, and now it's all the way back down here at the 105, 107 level on the low end. Okay, and so guys, because of that, look at this. Just September 27th, we were sitting at 120. I had made a video, said our price target for Exxon has been hit. Major salute. If you're not holding this as a dividend play, lock in profits, because it's going to repeat the same thing. Did it or not? Was this spot on 120? And then look, it came all the way back down to 105. Boom. You can buy it down here because it's going to run back on the next run up to 120 again. Guys, these are rinse and repeat opportunity, but this level in this area is your buy zone. I just wanted to point that out because, guys, this is a great company. This is a great dividend play, and this is also a market moving indicator that you can look at to know what are we doing in the market. Okay, check this one out. SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. Guys, this one is sitting under $8. I told you anytime under $8, we love it. Okay, and so at $7.98, guys, it came all the way from $7.37, okay, down 3% to being up 4% all in one day. That is a magnificent move. I'm trying to get you guys to understand the importance of buying low, buying when you're supposed to buy, because these plays are ready to take off. You don't want to get left at the train station because you're not doing the work when they're at their levels, and then you want to buy high way in the 8s and the 10s and the 12s where I'm telling you it's going. Okay, when you see 737, when you see these numbers that it was sitting at when it was down here, that's where you want to buy, because guys, ultimately the market wants to go up. Ultimately, this is trying to come to $8, $10, and then $12. Guys, that's going to be your range for this particular year. Respect it, and when it comes down, add to your position, okay? You can sell, you can lock in profit if you need, whatever. Guys, you are the CEO of your portfolio, so you can do whatever you want to do. But when they enter buy zones, you got to do the work so you can take part in these 4%, 20%, 50%, 100% moves, okay? It's coming. It will come. It will rinse and repeat. Just stick to the script. Run the play that's called in a huddle, okay? And now on to the one stock that you want to buy for the month of October. That stock will be SCHD. Guys, look at this. Currently sitting under $70 at $69.71. It was down as low as $68. I loved it at that level, so I gotta love it here at the $69 level. But for those of you that want passive income, that wants an income generating ETF, and that wants quality companies as part of your portfolio, something that could be a staple of your portfolio, SCHD is what I want you guys to lock in on, okay? Sitting here, didn't stay there long, $68, boom, it bounced off that level, $68.50, and then guys made its way all the way back to $69, and then $69.95, $70, and boom, didn't hold it. Closed down here, so guess what? It's going to try to test that $70 level, but on any rejection, that has to be your cue to get in, accumulate shares, try to get your 1,000 shares of this, or on the lower end, 125 shares of this, okay? And that's how you secure a dividend consistently, and that's how you also take advantage when this runs in the next bear market. You're gonna already be well positioned because we did the work in a bull market, okay? This is how you be strategic. This is how you play high-level chess against Wall Street, okay? Being patient, being cool, calm, and collected, keeping your emotions intact, being surgical, guys, okay? Trading with the plan, investing with the plan is all this come down to. The two key words that I want you guys to focus on is discipline and patience. Write those two words down. That's what's needed to succeed in the stock market, okay? Discipline and patience. Those that exude those two traits will have far more success than those that don't. Take that to the bank, okay? Listen, guys, I'm extremely excited for this upcoming week. Monday can't get here quick enough, but nevertheless, guys, do me a favor. Please consider joining the Discord. Link for that is in the description below. Also, the money team will be getting to the money this particular week, so if you want to take part in those, guys, it's a weekly thing, just from week to week. If you want to join us, feel free to do so. Nothing you have to do. But if you want to try for this week and make some money with the money team, feel free to do so. And you can sit it out this week if you want to, okay? But the link for that will also be in the description below. Guys, I'm looking forward to a phenomenal week. I want to build off of the momentum I gained last week. I was very surgical, and I want to continue that this upcoming week, okay? I'm sticking to the levels that I carve out each and every day in Discord and on these videos, and I'm playing what they give me. If we're going up, I'm in calls. If we're going down, I got puts ready, locked and loaded. I'm going to crush the market. I expect you guys in your own way to do the same, okay? Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.